Well, good morning, everybody. It is just a new day. Yeah, it's pretty early actually. So we're on our way to a Exotics by the River, aka I think it's more like a Cars and Coffee. I'm really not sure to expect. I've never been there, but should be a good time. However, we are late, so we gotta go. Let's get out of here. So, by the way, I just found out this is an exotics only show, so I'm not sure if they're gonna let the Skyline in or not. But we'll see. I think we got a good chance. Leave a comment in the comment section below. What do you think? Are we gonna get let in? I don't know. Let's do it. So we made it. Check out some exotics. It's Joe. It's Joe. It's Joe. Oh, a nice Julia. You don't see too many of these like on the road. This thing's sick. Freaking diffuser. Nice color. Sweet RWB build. These things are always good looking. Always good looking. Look at that. Yeah. There's a couple exotic cars here. Just a couple. Towards the Tots wrap. Oh yeah. Casual 720S. Casual 4 GT. Casual Mercy. It was actually quite far ways down there. Quite a good turnout this morning. Oh yeah, green SRT10 Viper. And the Performante. The dry carbon. All over the back. My favorite part about it. Another NSX. Never get tired of really seeing these, but yeah, definitely not as popular as, you know, 458, R8, R8, 430, bunch of Bentleys. These are just so big, like, but we got the drop top on this one. Hell yeah. That's a cruiser for sure. Got the little carbon here on the diffuser. Matte black. Wow. Look at these brakes. I'm pretty sure are as big as my wheels, but you know, I don't know if this is a wrap or a paint color. It's hard to tell, but it looks sick. It looks sick either way, guys. Also love the wrap on this. Nice Hot Wheels wrap. I dig it. I dig it. It's pretty cool. Wow. Also digging the red wheels. All right, Joe. Any car here? What are you getting?
Urus.
He wants the Urus out of all the cars here. That's the ultimate dad. Doesn't even have a kid yet. He wants the Urus.
I'll buy it for you.
Yeah, buy it for me, buy it for the channel, buy it for the viewers. No, it's not gonna happen.
Buddy, maybe when this car out.
She's a work in progress.
It's really funny. Do you see all these cars are awesome? You see all these, you say,
yeah, I'm the only one here. So that's kind of cool.
So I guess
there's like 5 Lamborghinis, 6 Lamborghinis, but there's only one Skyline.
6 Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Where do you want? You put the Skyline in the center? You say, okay. Oh, it's really awesome.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. This is F-Type.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Wow. Normally don't like F-Types, but this one, these wheels are proper on there for sure. I really like it. Look at all these bikes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I see this guy all over. I'm pretty sure he lives by me. So yeah. Over here we got the Viper crew. So if you guys had to take one of these Vipers, which one are you taking? I don't know. I think it's gonna be the black one, guys. But this guy's with the big Wang Gang, so it's hard to tell, but I like the newer style so much more. I mean, this is not terrible, but when they came out with this is just to me, so aggressive. And yeah, I think these look so much better. than say, you know, you do have your classic, you know, 90s Viper, but dang, we also have another Vantage. You guys saw this in my last video, but still, this gray color is looking good. I can't get over this car. This is definitely one of my favorite looking new cars. Definitely. Yeah, this matte gray is very nice. Complements the black very well. So the inside of a Vantage. A lot of buttons. Little touch control here in the middle. Nice screen. Steering wheel. Pedals feel nice. Yeah, not much room back there. But yeah. Wow. It is pretty cool that I'm the only Skyline here with all these pretty amazing cars around, so. Y'all were wondering what the front of a Tesla Model 3 looks like. Well, that is it. It's not too big, but I guess it does have, you know, a real trunk to compensate. It's pretty good. I like the wheels. I always liked the back end though when I first saw it, but in person it looks really good. These taillights are really cool.
Oh, really?
Green GT3. Also a member of Big Wing Gang. I dig it. One day, ladies and gentlemen, maybe one day. Maybe one day I can flex this hard, but for now we're not flexing quite as hard. But look at this interior. Look at that steering wheel. That is just, oh, and oh yeah, we're in race mode now too. The tack is down. Very cool. This is all carbon fiber tub for this car. Man. Ford GT just popped his hood. Very cool. Got the big blower right there. It's very clean. These things are still so cool. If you guys haven't seen my other video where we found a twin turbo one of these, post a link right up there if you want to check that one out, but that was an awesome one for sure. Come on. Oh yeah. That's American muscle right there. So everybody, it's been enough time here checking out some cars. I think we're going to head out here soon because we're going to get some pictures downtown and check out other things with Joe. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed checking out all these cool cars, but it's time to roll. Let's go. Well, I see a tunnel. Well, let's downshift a little bit. Oh yeah. So we just pulled over for a second. We're just doing a little bit of a photo shoot by this nice mural over here. Joe's trying to get some photos of his car and the Mustang. It's kind of dark though. Yeah, we'll see how these pictures really turn out. Not really sure. I like how we're all just kind of trying to stop in this random street and take a picture next to Tampa sign. But yeah, we're downtown, so that's pretty cool. Got the Z, got the Stang, Skyline. All right, bros, I'm getting out of here. Gotta go. Nice seeing y'all.
Nice seeing you. Good seeing you.
Nice
bro.
seeing you.
Nice seeing you too, man.
You too. You guys take care. Do a burnout.
Yeah, right.
Crazy guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna get on with the day. I'm not sure if this is the end of the video or not. I'm not sure. It may be. It may also not be. I'm not really not sure. We'll see. All right, guys. So we are back at the garage. So, just want to take a minute here to let you guys know what's going to be coming up on the channel because we have a lot of stuff planned, a lot of stuff going down. I'm going to be making not only a garage update video, we got some more Subaru content coming up. We obviously have more Skyline content coming up. I believe I'm meeting up with my buddy and his R34 GTR at some point here in the next couple weeks. We're going to do some cool videos with that. You do not want to miss this stuff. So if you guys are new and not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. There's a lot more stuff coming up on the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SkylineDude951. You can check the link in the description for all my kind of previous videos, as well as we got a merch link here. Also, I do have a goal of 3,000 subscribers before 2019. Now, I'm not sure if I can get there, but you know, that's what goals are for, to try to kind of push yourself to try to get to a spot you didn't think you could get to before. So any support I can get in that regard, I do appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, throw it a like, and that's, I think, gonna do it. Don't have anything else to say. So besides that, I guess we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.